Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, November 11th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Happy birthday today to Johnny Salakis. We hope you have a great day, Johnny. And now for our joke of the day. What did the big flower say to the little flower? Hi, bud. A couple important reminders. Remember, at Orchard Hollow, to always wear your mask properly, covering your nose and mouth. Remember to always wash your hands thoroughly and frequently throughout the day. And remember to use social distancing when walking in a line in the hallway or outside. Look at this, we caught our 5th graders doing a great job social distancing, lining up for lunch. Way to go, 5th grade. Today is Veterans Day. Veterans Day is on November 11th, and it honors military veterans who served in the United States Armed Forces. Mrs. Blue and our Orchard Hollow students have created a virtual tribute for Veterans Day that will be posted in your Google Classroom or on Seesaw. I encourage you all to take some time today to watch this video performance in honor of the brave men and women who have stepped forward to defend our nation and our freedom. Please join us in saluting all who have served our country and continue to promote peace and freedom throughout the world. Look whose class was caught being their best last week on Virtual Wednesday. It's Mr. Tatko's class. Way to be your best and reach higher on Virtual Wednesday. Remember, our schedule today is 8:45 to 9:15 morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:15 will be your literacy block. 10:15 to 10:30 you'll take a break. 10:30 to 11:30 will be your math block. And 11:30 to 11:45 will be our closing meeting. And now, a message from Miss Sadlick's class.
Challenge Miss Tompkins' class to do this video next.
Did you hear that? Miss Sadlick's class is challenging Miss Tompkins' class to make the next Make It a Great Day Huskies video. Good luck with your challenge, Miss Tompkins' class. And everybody, make it a great day, Huskies.